everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another really creative idea from my good friend Susan Botner of Stensland Design in Marina, California. This is so creative. This is an annual report brochure that she designed for Monterey Salinas Transit, and this was printed by Community Printers in Santa Cruz, and this is designed to look exactly like a laptop. So it's kind of silvery. It's actually done with 4-color process. This was printed on a 5-color Komori press, but the way that the gradients work and everything, it actually looks silvery. So there's the back and the front, designed to just look like a classic kind of plain laptop. It says 2020 annual report, and then when you open it, it looks like you've just opened a laptop. So it's got kind of the video screen and the keyboard, but then it's actually a closed gate fold. I've shown some closed gate formats samples recently, and I thought this was so creative and another great example of how kind of underutilized and underappreciated this format really is. So it's closed gate, so both panels fold in toward each other, and so when you open it, it has additional information, but also a 16-page full-color stitched booklet right here. So on this center fold right here there's 2 stitches, and here's a 16-page stitched booklet. So this is 100-pound silk cover and 80-pound silk text on the inside. So it's got a nice feel. It's also got an aqueous coating on for protection. And it's just got this 16-page annual report on the inside, but I love how these panels cover it up. You've got this neat reveal, other information, and then you've got the information on the inside. There's also some nice little details. She designed it with little curved corners on these 4 spots here, so you can see it when I open it up. You can see the die. And so they've got the curved corners that really just gives it the feel of the laptop as well. So these are die score. Then these are, of course, saddle stitched and folded. They did about 1,200 of these. So smart. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Laptop closed gate with stitched booklet. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week.